And then on the top right hand side, you'll see a button that says Get Started. So I'm going to click on that. I'm then going to make sure that I am on the Developer tab, and then I'll find Download for Mac over here on the right hand side. Now when I click on that button, it's going to take me to another page. This is the page that we're going to ultimately download this program from, but you'll notice that before we download it, we have to actually sign up for an account and log into Docker. So I'm going to click on Please Log In to Download right there, and then we get prompted with a login screen. Now if you do not already have an account, you can find the Create Account button down here on the bottom right hand side. So I'm going to open up that page very quickly. You'll notice that one of the first inputs that you have to enter on this sign up page is a Docker ID. This is a username of sorts, and it is going to be publicly visible to other people. We're going to need your Docker ID quite a bit throughout the remainder of this course, so no matter what you choose for your Docker ID right here, please make sure that it's something that you're going to remember. Okay, so once you sign up for your account, we will go ahead and download. Now this is a rather large file, so just to save a little bit of time in this lecture, I went ahead and already downloaded the package. So once this thing has successfully downloaded on your machine, we're going to open it up. It's going to take just a second or two to do its little bit, of course. It always needs some extra time, right? And then once it's finally done, it's going to open up a window that looks like this right here. And so as you might guess, we're going to do a little drag and drop over to the Applications folder. Now, once you copy that thing over, we now have to start up Docker on your machine. You can do this by either opening up your Launchpad right here, and you can find the new Docker program listed, or inside of any Folder Explorer window, you can go to the Applications section over here and find the listing for Docker. Now, once you get this thing copied over and installed, we're going to launch Docker by double-clicking it. The first time you do this, it's going to appear that nothing at all is happening. But if you look up at the top right-hand side of your screen, you'll see this little kind of whale icon with a set of boxes on it. And if you click on that, you'll see something that says Docker is starting. All right, after a minute or two, it's going to eventually resolve, and the boxes are going to go completely steady. And that means that everything is done and set up on your local machine. Again, it might take a minute or two